What you doing, Daddy?
Over here checking out these panels I got for old Vila right here. I've been working on it, girl. I've been working.
Which one is this?
This is the 55 Chevy Bel Air. I have been working. Just pulled a piece of gold out of earth right here. You know what I mean? Been sitting up there since at least 30 years since we're sitting there. Grinding and putting my prime on there and all that other good stuff. Check out these panels.
Off the frame restoration?
Off the frame restoration.
What?
Watch it there. Bam.
Whoa.
Full floor panel.
What is this?
That is the floor pan.
Wow.
Front to back. All of it.
Yeah.
Watch this here. I cleaned those up. Put that PR15 on there. Put PR15 on this side. I was able to save this fender. I put PR15 on this side. I was able to save this hood. I primed epoxy primer on both of them.
Yeah.
Bam. I wasn't able to change the keep the doors. Well, guess what? Goddamn golden star. Boy, look at this.
Wow, Daddy.
Got new skins. Look here, watch that. Got new skins. And the bottom piece, I was able to keep this here. But the bottom, look at that. God, not a problem.
Yeah.
Not a problem.
You
Bam.
just put it right there.
Look at that. Watch that there.
Wow.
Y'all need to throw that. You need to throw that away. Look here. Watch that. See that right there?
Yeah.
Got them dents and stuff in there. Bam. That was another $1,000, $1,200 I saved right there. Watch this here. Come on this way, young lady.
I'm coming.
Whoa, look here. They say, man. See that package tray?
What they say?
It's called
Daddy?
the package tray.
Yeah.
Come on up, take a look at that, little mom. Come on up here. See that? Look at that. They say, man, you need to get rid of that.
Can I stop up here?
Yes, ma'am. You need to get rid of that.
Wow. Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
Watch this here. Bam. $311. Got a whole new package tray.
Yeah.
Cut the old one out, put the new one in. Now,
Wow.
I was not able to save my trunk.
Yeah.
Wasn't able. But look at this puppy right here.
Let me see.
Oh, big butt right here. Look at, bam, look at that. Big butt right here. Look at that. Got a brand new one. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, wait a minute, Daddy. What
Yes,
you going to
sir.
do with this down here?
Oh, hold on now. Now, once I get it all cut out and whatnot, they sell this half.
Oh, really?
I was able to save this top half.
Yeah.
So this entire half, front to back,
Yeah.
I'm going to replace from here down.
Wow.
And they said, what you going to do with all this right here? Watch this here, Nick. Where's that? Right.
Not the lipstick on the pig.
No, you cut the old one out.
Now, this
You cut the
looks
old
good,
one out.
Daddy.
You put the new one in.
Yeah.
That piece in right
Wow.
there. You see that? Bam, bam, bam. I'm just taking my time, putting it together. And guess what? Watch this here. Come on this way.
Let me see.
They say, how you gonna do it? I ain't got no power back here.
Yeah.
So I had to hook my generator up
Oh.
with my 220,
Yeah.
running all around here. You right?
Oh, wow. Daddy, what is this? When did you get this? Where did you get this? I'm asking questions. Does mommy know?
Look here. You better not tell her. You better not tell her. Listen.